Just a quick rundown. I'm building the new intercooler for the Turbo Trans Am. And we went with a custom Garrett core. Basically, I took two 10-inch tall Garrett cores, cut one of them in half to weld the two together to get a total height of 15 inches. The intercooler in the car now is 17 inches. So this one's now, it's actually 15 and a quarter by 10 by 4. So it should fit as a perfect replacement that'll flow more once I build the tanks and everything else. But the hard nerve-wracking part was cutting this in half and then welding it back together and getting it how I want it.